You don't have time for a 1-hour workout? I get it, you're busy. But what if I told you that you could fundamentally change your metabolism, lose weight, and clear your brain fog with just 5 minutes of movement sprinkled throughout your day? What if the all or nothing approach to fitness is a lie? Stay with me because today we are destroying that myth and introducing the science of exercise snacking. Welcome to Wellness Waves.
Dr. Kiyani, that's a lifeline. Because I have no time is the #1 reason I don't exercise. A 60-minute gym session feels like an impossible mountain to climb on a busy workday. And the guilt is constant.
It is a mountain, and it's the biggest flaw in modern fitness culture. We've been sold this all or nothing mindset. Either you're doing an intense 60-minute HIIT class or you're a couch potato. There's no in between. It's not sustainable, it's not realistic, and frankly, it's why most people fail before they even begin.
So, exercise snacking. I absolutely love that term. It sounds small, easy, and satisfying. What does it actually mean?
It's exactly what it sounds like. It's the practice of incorporating short 2 to 5 minute bursts of intentional movement throughout your entire day. It's not about getting sweaty, changing clothes, or driving to a gym. It's about interrupting stillness. It's about fighting the sitting disease with small, consistent, accessible movements.
Interrupting stillness. That feels so much more manageable. But let's be honest, Dr. Kiyani, can a 5-minute snack really transform your body? It sounds too good to be true.
It sounds too good to be true because we're looking at the wrong metrics. We're obsessed with the 300 calories we burn during a workout. We've completely ignored the science of what happens during the other 23 hours of the day. And that, Leo, is where the real magic lies. The secret to exercise snacking lies in a concept that will change how you view your body forever. It's called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis.
Neat? That sounds neat. What is it?
It is NEAT. NEAT is all the energy you burn from movements that aren't formal exercise. Fidgeting, walking to your car, taking the stairs, doing chores, even just standing instead of sitting. Our modern sedentary life, sitting at a desk, sitting in the car, sitting on the couch, has absolutely destroyed our NEAT.
So we basically engineered all this low-level movement out of our lives.
We have, and the impact is staggering. Studies from the Mayo Clinic show that the difference in NEAT between two people of the same size and weight can be up to 2,000 calories a day.
Wait, 2,000 calories? That's more than most people burn in 2 intense workouts. Are you serious?
I'm perfectly serious. This is the hidden metabolic dial. Exercise snacking is how you intentionally turn that dial back up. But it's not just about calories. The most profound, immediate effect is on your blood sugar and metabolism.
How so?
This is the part I really want everyone to hear. Research shows that after just 30 to 60 minutes of continuous sitting, your body's ability to clear glucose, sugar, from your bloodstream plummets. The glucose transporters in your muscle cells, called GLUT4, literally go to sleep. Your insulin sensitivity drops. In that moment, your body is behaving as if it's pre-diabetic.
That's terrifying. Just from sitting in a meeting?
Yes, but here's the fix. A simple 2-minute exercise snack, like 20 bodyweight squats or walking up a flight of stairs, acts like a biological reboot. It sends a signal to those muscle cells, reactivates the GLUT4 transporters, and tells your body to immediately start pulling that sugar out of your blood and into the muscles for fuel. You are literally stopping metabolic dysfunction in its tracks 5 minutes at a time. You're flattening that blood sugar curve that leads to the 3 p.m. slump, brain fog, and fat storage.
So every 5-minute snack is like a mini dose of insulin sensitivity.
Precisely. And it's not just your body. That quick burst of movement sends a rush of blood and oxygen to your brain. It triggers the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as miracle grow for your brain cells. That 5-minute snack when you feel foggy is the most powerful nootropic you can take.
Okay, I am sold. The science is undeniable. I'm ready to become an exercise snacker. But what does it look like in real life? I'm at my desk right now. I have 3 minutes between calls. What do I do?
Perfect. Let's build your snack menu. No equipment, no changing clothes. Snack 1, the meeting reset. Your Zoom call ends, stand up immediately, do 20 bodyweight squats, then 10 counter push-ups against your desk. Done. Snack 2, the coffee kettlebell. For 3 minutes, while your coffee is brewing or your tea is steeping, do 60 seconds of calf raises, then 60 seconds of high knees, then 60 seconds of jumping jacks. Done. Snack 3, the stairway sprint. Instead of the elevator, take the stairs, but don't just walk. Walk up 2 flights, walk back down 1, walk up 2, down 1. It's a fantastic mini workout. Snack 4, the lunch lunge. For 2 minutes before you sit down to eat your lunch, do 10 lunges on each leg. This preheats your muscles to be ready for the glucose from your meal.
These are so simple. They don't even feel like working out. They just feel like moving.
That's the beauty of it. The goal isn't to get exhausted, it's to be consistent. And the key to consistency is to build a system, not rely on motivation. The best way is habit stacking.
Habit stacking?
You link your new exercise snack to a habit you already do. After I use the bathroom, I will do 15 squats. After I send a big email, I will stand up and do a 1-minute wall sit. While my dinner is in the microwave, I will do 30 seconds of push-ups. Every time I get a new text alert, I will stand up. You're automating the behavior. You don't have to think. You just do.
This completely reframes everything. The no time excuse is officially dead. If you have 3 minutes to scroll on your phone, you have 3 minutes to do a meeting reset.
It's a total identity shift. You are no longer a person who doesn't have time to exercise. You are a person who moves. You are an exercise snacker. You are someone who intentionally and joyfully interrupts stillness all day long. It's accessible, it's easy, and it's who you are every single day.
This is genuinely the most freeing fitness concept I've ever heard. It's not all or nothing. It's always something.
Always something is the new mantra. You're leveraging NEAT, you're stabilizing your blood sugar, you're building a healthier brain, and you're doing it all in the cracks and crevices of your day.
Dr. Kiyani, this has been amazing. Thank you.
My pleasure. Now, for everyone listening, here is your call to action. Don't wait. We're going to do this together. What is one exercise snack you can do today? Or what is one new habit stack you are going to create?
Ooh, I'm going to commit. My new habit stack is, after every podcast recording, I will do 2 minutes of lunges.
I love it. Share your commitment in the comments below. Let's build a movement of exercise snackers together.
And if this episode blew your mind and made fitness finally feel accessible, hit that like button and subscribe to Wellness Waves. Share this with that busy friend who insists they have no time.
Thank you for joining us. Next week, we're diving into the science of why you crave sugar at 3 p.m. You won't want to miss it. Now, go take a 2-minute movement snack.